Hello again, my people. So it's looking like my old Midjay here, you know, Ketron Midjay. It's a real-time arranger, a MIDI file player, and so many other functions. It needs a new power plug. You know, this cable, it's almost gone, so I can't risk it for interruption, let's call it. But you see, the point is that this kind of plug, it's kind of special, is this forky type, let's call it. That's exactly what I want to use, because this one, it's very secure when it's a matter of contact. So I've been looking around, I couldn't find any of these plugs, any piece of cable, and nothing like that. So the single way to solve this problem is to cut this plug and to open the metal here. And easy to say but hard to do. Let me see, maybe I can take it. So I have to cut this rubber stuff and get the plug free. Oh, well done here. We have a plug in a plug or something. Double plastic layer. Beautiful. Well, I'm sad to break this apart, but this is the only way I can be sure about a good contact. Okay, this is gone. Now let's try to open this up. Like that, almost. Yes. Kids playing in the park. Beautiful summer day. Not so hot. That's amazing. We had a really long summer and really hot summer too. Here we have the free contacts. I'm thinking about having one of these pieces of wire. It's pretty strong, and I think we'll do the job. But in the meantime, let me have my hot glue ready, because I also want to have a 90 degrees angle. Soldering TS100, soldering wire, flux, rosin. I'm tinning the wires before, and now let me take this out like that, and we put the plus in the middle. That should be enough, and here we'll have the minus. I don't think it can be better than this. Let's see. Very strong. Maybe a little touch, a little extra touch here for the plus. Like that. Now it's perfect. Well, people, now the next phase is to get this covered with hot glue. But in the meantime, let me open power supply. Very simple here. Only 2 screws. Well, it's an old device, but I can tell you it's working great. I put some holes in here, both ends, for better cooling, and I have to do the wiring in here. So we have a plus here and we have the minus the other way. Yeah, this one been worked before, it's abused, dropped on the floor, still working. That's the idea of a professional gear. Now I'm looking for something to have it at the end of the wire. In fact, for taking the mechanical shocks. Okay, that should be fine. Yeah. Okay. The wire goes back in. We'll put a knot. It's plenty of place over there. Some more, of course, like that. Beautiful. That should be enough. And of course, let's clean it a bit. Alright, this is a piece of old wire. Now it's fine. This diode should be the other side, but it's okay, doesn't bother. That should be fine. And we have an LED. Okay, it's up here. Come on. Well, let me have a piece of paper. Should be good enough. I don't like this open stuff. This power input plug-in should be on the board, but because of droppings and abuses, it's just fly away, and I had to find another solution. Okay, this is fine. Here is okay. Maybe this should be a little bit like that. Shock absorber, let's call it. Nice. And the top. There you go. Nice, isn't that? And we can give a try. Factory, isn't that? Okay, let's see if I manage to do something with this guy. All right, the LED it's on. Perfect. And we should have here, so minus outside. All right, 5.26 and plus in the middle. We are good to go. To be sure about that, I'll just plug this little guy in here, push the power button, and voila, good to go. Nice and solid. By the way, this is a really great piece of gear, still running strong after so many years. Okay, now the last step is to build a kind of protection, mechanical it's like working with liquid glass almost. Pretty okay. Maybe a little bit more here. That should be fine. just wanted to let it run down there. Nice. Like that. Yeah, that should be enough. There we go. Huh? Kind of artistic. Perfect. Just let it dry. So here we are, like 15 minutes later. Let's take a look at this guy. Well, I believe it's pretty okay, solid. I don't like this, but we can make it kind of nicer. And here a little bit. Voila. Pretty good. Okay, the final test. Let's cross fingers. Let me have this plugged in. And of course that will stay like that. Perfect. Of course I don't need to jump around with this one, but it's working great. That's it. Another happy ending. You see, this mechanical stuff is very important because this is the more abused, you know, down on the floor, but I think it's perfect for now. And I also feel secure this way. It's strong, it's solid, and I can bet it's gonna be like that for years. Okay, that's it for today. I hope it's useful like always. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Of course, thanks a lot my sponsors. Thanks Radu, thanks Vlad, and thanks Czech. Push the like button, of course. And the most important thing, don't forget to have fun. See you soon. Bye bye.